a cheeseburger, please, large fries, and a Cosmopolitan?
Of course I had to. You don't think I'm going to include Sex and the City? Not only am I including Sex and the City in the list, Sex and the City has 4 cocktails we're doing. 4. I'm sure there's probably more if I really research. I mean, I guess I'm going to have to watch every episode all over again, but oh well, all in the name of research. But in the meantime, right now, we're going to start the Sex and the City list with the classic Cosmopolitan. Yes, Sex and the City brought back the Cosmopolitan and made it the most popular drink at the time. Everyone ordered it everywhere.
This is delicious.
Why did we ever stop drinking this?
Because everyone else started.
So in honor of that, I'm wearing my I'm with Mr. Big shirt I got from when Sarah Jessica Parker had this clothing line called Bitten. I just aged myself a little bit there. If you've never heard of it, yeah, it's long gone. Look it up. Yeah, it's long gone. But I still have it, and I'm so glad I do because it's very cute and very fitting for this video. So for our Sex and the City lovers, let's get started. So, classic Cosmo. I don't care what anyone says, you have to do the citron vodka. No regular vodka, has to be citron. Like, it just makes a whole mess of a difference. It really does. And if you don't have citron vodka, I would say do what I do. Take the regular vodka, but then add just like a tiny bit of fresh lemon juice. A little fresh lemon juice. It will definitely help. It just, trust me. As someone who's not a huge vodka fan, trust me, it helps. So we're gonna do 2 ounces. 1 of this, of the citron vodka. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. I had a different orange liqueur and I used a full ounce, but I think because Grand Marnier is so dark, I want to try to keep as light pink as possible. So instead of doing a full ounce, I'm just going to do a 1/2 ounce. Okay, 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier or your orange liqueur of your choice. Then I have a full ounce of lime juice. I'm keeping it that way no matter what, because for me personally, I like my Cosmos to have a little extra lime. I always ask for a lime wedge on the side just in case I didn't add enough. For me, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. Now I'm going to measure out the cranberry. I don't want to go too overboard. Let's do, I've seen a few videos where people do a very small amount of cranberry. So let's measure out 1/2 ounce. This cranberry juice is pretty anemic in color. What do you think? No, it's more, you know, let's do another ounce. Okay. I think that's good enough. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Maybe I won't get the pink, but at least I'll get a nice red. So now I'm gonna add the ice. This is perfect to make when you're binge watching or just want something light and something that will calm your ass down, especially when it's quarantine and boys don't call you back, or it's quarantine and your family members call you constantly, or it's just quarantine and it's quarantine. Yeah, this is perfect to introduce. I think it's cold. Yep, I think it's cold enough. Okay, so let's see. Ah, it's pink. Look, it's pink. Yay. Now I want to do a garnish. I don't have a peeler. I don't have a peeler, which will make this process a lot easier. I just want a ribbon of orange peel. I've only ever really seen this in like online recipes. When I go to restaurants, they either don't garnish it or they just give me a line with it. Am I wrong? I've never really seen this. Oh, I did it so quickly. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, give it a little twist for the oils. I'll be a professional, and there we go. There we go. A classic Cosmopolitan for our favorite New Yorkers, Carrie, Miranda, Charlotte, and Samantha. Alrighty, let's see how it came out. Dangerously refreshing. Oh, yes. I did a good job. I did a good job. I did a good job. Yes. Dangerously it's kicking in. Dangerously refreshing. Oh, so delicious, so easy. Yes. From one New York City girl to our favorite four. I hope you make this cocktail and enjoy, guys. Cheers.